Hello everybody and welcome back to another tutorial of knitting. In this tutorial we are going to see another technique of cast-on, another cast-on method. This is the Italian cast-on method. We take 3 times the desired yarn, length of yarn, and then we make a slip knot. We insert here the needle, keep the short part of the yarn, this part, and the other on the other side. Now in a lot of parts this cast-on method looks like the long tail cast-on, but it's not exactly the same. So thumb and index finger, the knitting needle in the right hand, yarn in the left hand, thumb and index, insert thumb and index like this, and keep with the rest of the fingers the yarn. This is the position of long tail cast-on as well, but now you are going to see that we are going to finish the stitch in another way. We have to pass down here and then insert the needle here in the loop. As you can see here, there is a loop, a triangle loop. So yarn over and pass the yarn through this triangle loop and leave alone the yarn. Again, index and thumb, take with the rest of the fingers the yarn down, pass here, down, insert into the loop here, and yarn over and pass in this through this loop, and once more thumb and index, we pass down here, we insert into this loop, yarn over and pass the needle through the triangle loop. Now for all those who have more experience, I will make you see how to start, how to make the first loop directly with the stitch. Now, short part of the yarn this way, long part of the yarn that way, and keep always knitting needle into the right hand and yarn into the left hand, thumb and index, pass here, close here the other fingers to keep stretched the yarn, insert here the needle and keep with this finger a little bit the yarn, again thumb, index, insert, and pass the yarn through the triangle loop. And this is the first, it's the same way. And again you can continue, thumb, index, and pass the yarn through this triangle loop and take the finger from the yarn, and again thumb, index, keep down here, insert like this down here the needle into the loop, and again yarn over and pass the yarn through this triangle loop here, and again thumb, index, pass down here into the loop here, and yarn over and pass the yarn through this loop, again index, thumb, index, here it is, Thanks for being with me. Till next time. Bye.